Hey, and welcome back. Today, I will share how Gemini 2.0 can revolutionize your email writing process, helping you craft professional, clear, and engaging emails in less time. First of all, the struggle of email writing, right? Well, writing emails can often feel like a chore, whether it's struggling to find the right one, organizing your thoughts, or avoiding common pitfalls like typos and unclear messaging. That's where Gemini 2.0 comes in. So let's click done right here. Click the Gemini title at the top and switch to Gemini 2.0. What is Gemini 2.0? Gemini 2.0 is an AI powered tool designed to help you write better emails faster. It can generate email draft, offer smart suggestions for tone and phrasing, and even analyze your message for clarity and impact, all in real time. Now, first, input a few bullet points, and Gemini generates a polished email draft in seconds. And whether you need to sound formal, friendly, or persuasive, Gemini adapts your tone with a single click. And you can use the built-in grammar and spelling checks, ensure your email are error-free. Lastly, Gemini flags overly complex sentences and suggests simpler, more effective alternatives. Okay, let's say, for example, you need to follow up with a client about a delayed project. You could start with a rough idea like just checking in on the project timeline, right? Please let me know if there are updates. Okay, with Gemini 2.0 you can transform this to draft this as an email. Okay, and I'm gonna hit enter. Right, you're gonna see, hey name, I'm writing a briefly check in on the project timeline. Have you been any recent have there been any recent updates or changes that I should be aware of? Please let me know. And you're gonna see the answer. This version sounds polished, professional, and clear, all thanks to Gemini's smart suggestions. Using Gemini 2.0 can save you time by eliminating repetitive tasks, reduce stress by giving you confidence in your writing, enhance communication, ensuring your emails have a positive impression. And whether you want your email to sound formal, right? Draft this email as formal or casual and maybe friendly, right? Or persuasive. Okay? Gemini adapts your tone with single check. Whether you're managing client communication, applying for a job, or just trying to stay on top of your inbox, Gemini 2.0 can make email writing faster, easier, and more effective. You could try it out, right? And see the difference for yourself. All right? So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comment how Gemini 2.0 impacted your writing skills, whether writing a content or drafting an email or working and blogging. See you in the next one.